Hello everyone, this is Mario from Canon Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Elektra Microcasa espresso machine. Now for this machine we have done a beautiful cleaning all the group head, disassembling it completely, replacing the gaskets of it, also replacing the gaskets of the side glass, taking the gauge off, replacing the gasket of the knob, and just give it a good cleaning overall. One of the things that we also did is that the grinder you see right there was calibrated specifically for this machine, so hopefully I did a good job and we can see a beautiful espresso shot coming out from this beautiful machine. Okay, so now let's pour that beautiful shot. We're gonna raise the lever a bit, keep it hold for just a couple of seconds for the whole group head to fully fill with hot water. Once we got a little bit of drip, we just let go. And as you can see, the machine is slowly extracting it. And you can see that beautiful crema forming at the bottom of the cup, at the top of the cup, sorry, and that beautiful shot of espresso coming out from this beautiful machine. Now we can also test the steamer, and as you can see, steam definitely working perfectly fine. Excellent pressure, really good temperature, still at 1 bar, working excellent. And this beautiful shot that you see right here, nice rich crema, 1 ounce of espresso, which is exactly what this group delivers. And I'm gonna let it cool off, because if I remove the portafilter right now, it's going to splatter. These machines do not have a depressurized valve, so they will slowly depressurize by themselves. Once you finally see the it stops dripping, then you can just remove the portafilter. But you basically leave it like that. So there you have it, Elektra Microcasa working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing me Canon Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.